Hey, how's it going? I'm going to give you a brief tour of your new website. I'm pretty sure you've already seen the home page, the About Us, the Order Online Pickup, and most of the pages here. But I'm going to focus on in this video, I'm going to show you the back end of your new website. As you can see, you have many pages on your website. You have the catering, the menu, the online order delivery, and then also, as you had asked, order our sauces. So what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of give you tutorial of how everything works in the back end. This way you'll have the username password, and anytime you want to make changes you can do that. So kind of follow my example here. So the first thing I'm going to do is log into the back end, and you'll have this information emailed to you with the username password. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'm going to go ahead in the back end. So when you first log into your dashboard, it'll look like this. It'll have all your pages here. See, as you can see, has all the pages of the home page. We have the catering, the cart, the home, the menu, the online order delivery, online order pickup. These are all the pages on your website. But our main focus won't be these. It'll be actually this one. Is at the very top left. It says My Sites. So again, follow this example here. Whenever you want to change something on a specific location, because right now, although on the website we have one website, but there's actually three different settings. We have online order pickup for the Mulberry location. We have online order pickup for the Lake Wales location. For example, so we have Lake Wales, and then we have Mulberry. So we have both of these locations, where people can order online and pick up. So in each one of these will take them to a different page, so it's associated with a different Clover. I'm going to show you how to access that location. Also, the sauce is also located on a different page. So let me just show you how that works. When you click on My Sites, click on Network Admin, click Sites. So again, this button here, and then scroll to the sites. So we have, whenever you see this one here, remember this is Mulberry location. This one is Lake Wales, from the Lake Wales here, and this is your sauces, okay? Because each of these has different location. This goes to your all the orders for this will go to your Mulberry, this will go to Mulberry, and your sauces will also get sent to Mulberry. You also get an email printout as well. But we're going to go ahead and start with the Mulberry location. Click on Dashboard. Okay, so once you press Dashboard, you'll see Clover orders on the left-hand side. Press Settings. And then this is where all your online ordering settings are done. We already have this stuff is validated. Inventory is already imported. If you ever make changes to your inventory, just do a manual sync. Press Update Modifiers. Press Update Categories. Press Update All Items. Again, each time you press this, wait until this reaches 100%, and then go to the next one. And the clean inventory, you don't need to do this. Only if you deleted lots of items and you want to remove those old items from the website, then you can do that feature. But most of the time you'll be dealing with this button here called Manual Sync. Okay. Order types, we have basically we don't need drive-through because that's for your in-store customers. If you want to enable that in the future, I would recommend making a new one called Online Order Drive-through, and just add that. Remember, if you want to disable them, just press this button off. Always don't try to change the name while you're here, or else you get an invalid error button or invalid error message. If you want to change the name, just make a new one and delete the old one. Okay, so try to avoid changing the name. Okay, so we have pickup and delivery. Let's put pickup at the top so it's higher on the list. So pickup, delivery. Next button is store interface. This one appears to look the best with your online ordering. Let me show you what it looks like so you can get an idea. I'm going to go ahead and press pickup. Your order from the Mulberry location. This is what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, we have all these stuff here, all these different stuff people can purchase. So what you can do is you can actually hide some of these items. So I can go to categories and items, and everything for the Mulberry location. Again, Mulberry. See, that's how you tell if it's Mulberry. So if you want to know which page you're making changes on, which location, just look up here, Mulberry. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's say we want to hide family specials. You just slide it to the left. As you can see, some have already hidden. Modifier groups and modifiers, these are all your modifiers. Let's say you want to not offer this sauce, you can hide it. or let's say you want to offer that, but you don't want to offer mustard mild, you can just hide that. Okay. So again, these are your modifier groups, and when you press the plus sign, it's your modifiers. Okay, checkout settings. We have pay in store, secure checkout page. All these stuff are enabled. Tips. Let's go ahead and enable the tips. Okay, and then those settings are completed. Next step we'll go to is, as you can see, there's store settings, there's delivery areas and fees, feedback help, and frequently asked questions. So these are all the settings for your online ordering. So let's go ahead and check out the store settings. We have email coming to these two email addresses, and we have a text sending out to this phone number. Let's take a look if you have your business hours. Please choose the hours your store is available. It's recommended to go with the business hours. Good, you have your business hours there. Perfect. Just leave it like that. Only for the sauces you want to choose all hours because you're shipping those out. But for food related items, customers are going to be coming in what 20 or 30, 40 minutes, and you don't want them to show up to your business while you're closed. So if you select all hours, they may order in the middle of the night, and once they show up, they will see your store is closed. So do business hours, okay? And these are the business hours right here. And this can be found by going to clover.com, set up business information, okay? That's where these hours come from. Okay, so pickup orders, you said it requires 60 minutes. Delivery orders requires 45 minutes. Okay. Usually what I find with most merchants, I usually find it the opposite. Usually pickup is faster than delivery. So I'll kind of, double check these settings because it seems kind of off. Maybe you messed, maybe you put it wrong. I would do 45 here and 60 here because delivery takes longer than pickup. Okay, and allow customers ASAP. Okay, that's up to you if you want that. Okay, next option is delivery areas and fees. Oh, okay, let's add your delivery area. I'll go ahead and add a zone for you. We'll call it zone 1 since we don't have a zone yet. We'll do 10-mile delivery radius. We'll do minimum order. We just leave it blank. We'll do a $2 delivery fee, draw zone. So again, we're going to be delivering to this area. It'll cost them $2 to order. If you want to make change to that, again, you can put your mouse here and make it smaller or bigger, or you can just come back and delete it. I'm going to go ahead and add it for now. Once you add your delivery area, press this button here, validate selected zone, so it adds that this area is now set up. And then this is optional. You can say if a customer orders over $100, you'll offer free delivery. Leave this one blank because you don't want to offer fixed delivery. Fixed delivery will override your map zone. So if they order over here, they'll get charged $2. If they order here, $2. If they order here's $2. But we don't want to mess with that button. This is only if you are delivering everywhere and anywhere. Okay, other zone delivery fees. Let's say one of your customers orders from way over here, you can charge a higher amount, but we're not going to do that one. Press Save Changes. Okay, good. So now we have the Mulberry location set up with the online ordering and the delivery areas. Let's work on the next location, which is, again, we're going to go to Network Admin, Sites, and then click Lake Wales and then press Dashboard. So be careful when select these locations that you actually don't press the delete button. You want to press Dashboard right here, the second one. Okay. Now we're at the Lake Wales. How can we tell if we're at the Lake Wales? Just look up right here, Lake Wales location. So everything we do from here is Lake Wales related. So click on Clover Orders, Settings. First thing we'll do is we'll add the delivery areas and fees here. Again, for example, you see these categories and items? This is different from your Mulberry location. So if you want to hide these, it will only hide it from the Mulberry location. So remember that. It only hide it from the Lake Wales location. Okay, so make sure to go in here and hide the ones you don't want to show on the website. And here's all the items in there. If you want to hide an item, just press this button here, Items, Images. And then let's say I don't want to show catfish dinner. Put my mouse over it and say hide from website, or you can say it's out of stock for now. Okay, let me go back here now, but that's how you hide stuff. If you want to add an image to it, press Add Edit Images, and then you can upload an image, add a description, text mess, like this fish tastes great. Okay, you can add a description. I'm not going to do that now, but because you know more about your menu than I do. So if you want to upload an image, you can do that. Go to settings again, and then now what we're going to do now is go to okay, we have the checkout. Let me make sure these are correct. Yeah, let's enable the tips. And then let's go to store settings. Okay, so we have Walter getting an email. If you want to add more people, just press a comma and add their name. Again, this is for the Lake Wales location. Okay, let's see business hours. Yep, let's go ahead and do business hours on this one too. Let's put 30 minutes and then 60 minutes for delivery. Save changes. Actually, wait, you are not doing delivery. I just remember you're doing delivery through Grubhub. So let's go ahead and remove the delivery. Let's go to order types and delivery removed. I forgot. I don't need to set up your delivery here. So I'm going to turn off the delivery for that location. So it just says pickup and delivery. Let me go back to the other location. So how do I go back to the other location? You click on My Sites, Network Admin, Sites, and then this is Mulberry. Okay, so click on Dashboard, Settings. I forgot because the reason why, see when I click on delivery, I just realized that you are doing delivery through these companies, so we want to turn off delivery. We don't want your customers to have this option here. Let me show you what I mean by that. See, when I add an item to the cart, let's see, required. Okay. When I press checkout, see, it gives me the option for delivery. We don't want that option because you already have delivery by a separate company. You're not doing your own delivery, so you're relying on Grubhub, Bite Squad, DoorDash, all these other companies to come pick up the food. So what we'll do is we'll go over here and we'll go to order types and disable delivery. There we go. We only want them to choose online order pickup. Okay, now let's go to the sauces. This one we are doing shipping or delivery. So let's go ahead and go to the next one. Actually, let me see if I have all the settings here correct. Yeah, these look good. Yeah, these are all good. Okay, let's go to the next one, sauces. As you mentioned to me, you want to deliver sauces. So click on Dashboard, click on Clover Orders, Settings. And then once you're in Settings, we're going to go ahead. Let's see what we got. We got that. See, remember, we imported all your inventory from even though it's sauces right here, it's the menus from your Lake Wales location. So what you want to do is you'll see all your Lake Wales menu. So you want to hide everything except for the sauces. Let's see which ones the sauces are. Okay, family special drinks. Where's your sauces? Sauces. I'm hiding all of this stuff because these are not related to sauces. Carter's barbecue sauce retail case. Okay, there you go. There's your sauces right there. So let's say you want to add a picture to your sauces. You can do that. See, a media library. I'm gonna just use this for now since I don't have any pictures to use. But feel free to upload an image. Select files and add an image to your sauces. Okay, I'm gonna select that picture right here. And then store interface, I'm going to select 4. It's already selected. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. I'm going to click on sauces here. Order our sauces. There we go. JB Brown hot sauce. Again, if you want to add an image to individual sauces, you do it by pressing items, images, and then find the sauce. So for example, I'm going to type in sauce. And then find the sauce. For example, we have mild sauce. So press add edit images and then add your image right here. See? Upload some images from your computer so you can add the picture of that sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and just use that one just so that way you can see. But remember, you can always remove it. This sauce is very good. Okay, I'm going to add that. Remember, you can come back in and delete that. Watch, when I refresh that, let me see. Yeah, this is called mustard mild sauce case. Okay, let's find the mustard mild sauce case. Mustard mild sauce. See, mustard mild sauce case. This sauce is very good, and here's a picture of it. But again, so you may want to come over here and add a different picture. Okay, so that's your sauces. This you be delivering your sauces. So let's go ahead, add your delivery for the sauces. So let me show you how to do that. I'm gonna go back to settings. Okay, I'm gonna click on store settings. These all look good. Oh, actually, wait. Yeah, see sauces page? I'm gonna do all hours because you are shipping these out, so we don't need to schedule orders. You're gonna ship them out. Okay, and then now I'm gonna press uh, let's see. I did all that. Okay, let me go to order types because sauces are not pickup; they're just delivery. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove pickup, and it'll be online order delivery. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to delivery areas and fees, and since we're gonna be delivering all across the United States, we're gonna go ahead and add a map around it. Add zone, zone 1, circle. Okay, actually I'm gonna do a shape because I want to go all the way around the U.S. Delivery fee, we'll do $5. We'll do $5 flat rate delivery fee. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, draw my zone. I'm gonna start from here and go all the way across. And just go like that. Again, feel free to change this. Okay, there we go. So we got a $5 delivery fee, and if they order over $100, they get free delivery. How's that? Feel free to change that when you log in, okay? So there we go. We got your sauces set up for online ordering, and now people can order your sauces. Okay, good. We got all that taken care of. Again, I pretty much covered everything. Coupon codes, pretty self-explanatory. If you want to do coupon codes, press this button here. Add a coupon. I'm going to call it whatever name you put, it's going to show on the receipt. So I'm going to say online special. See, again, this is related to coupons, to sauces. So whatever you do for a coupon, this only applies to the sauces, not to Mulberry location, not to Lake Wales location. So I'm going to say coupon code sauces 10. Okay, so they get 10% off. Okay, expiration date, we'll do end of the year. Okay, so if they put the code sauces 10, they'll get 10% off. So again, you can remove this later. So to remove this coupon code, just click on coupons, and then what do? You just press delete right here. I'm going to add it, that way you can get an idea of how I did it. And then once your coupons are ready to go, you want it to become active, all you do is you go to checkout settings and then scroll down, coupon enabled. So what does that do? Let me show you what that does. Again, we're doing it only for the sauces and not for the Mulberry location, not for Lake Wales, only the sauces. So again, it only applies to the sauces. So I'm going to go ahead and add this item to the cart. And then when I check out, I have this button now at the bottom of the page. It's called sauces. It says coupon code. See, when I type in sauces 10, just as the name was earlier, apply. There you go, 10% off. I got 10% off of my sauces because I use this code. Again, feel free to advertise the code inside your store, on your Facebook or Instagram, wherever you want people to know about this code. Because if they don't have this code, they can't get 10% off the way I created it. Okay, so again, I'm going to go ahead and add my address here. Delivery. I'm going to add the address. Next. Confirm and add address. Oh, let me see what I did here. Sorry, no, we did not deliver this address this time. Oh, maybe I did not save it. Let me see what I did wrong. Let's see here. Find delivery areas and fees. Oh, okay. Must have not pressed saved. Okay, that was my fault. I forgot to press save. Let me do that again. So anyhow, you can learn from my mistake. Make sure to press save. $5 delivery fee, shape, draw zone. Okay, that's, I'm gonna go back around the US again. Okay, anybody orders within this area, they'll get charged $5. Okay, and then I'm gonna press save change this time because last time I forgot to press save changes. That's why it wouldn't allow me to order my sauce. Let's go ahead and do it again. It should work this time because I added my, oh, maybe I have to refresh the page. Let me refresh the page. Okay, let's try it again. Now it should work. I got my address now. Adding my address now. There you go. Yep, see, it worked this time. $5 delivery charge. And then I'm gonna say, I can write something here, but yeah, I just finalized my order. Pay with credit card. Pay upon delivery. Oh, good thing I caught this one. So I'm gonna remove pay upon delivery because they are you can't collect their payment upon delivery because they're pretty far away if they order online. So we're gonna go ahead and remove pay upon delivery and also remove pay in store. So all they're left with is pay with credit card. Perfect. I think that's pretty much, that should cover everything. So we got, in this video we talked about the online order pickup. Again, your catering, people will call you for that. It's on here. Your menu, delivery, order our sauces. That's pretty much it. Okay. So hopefully this video proved useful. Thank you again for your time. Have a good day.